and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. We have a cool song here, beautiful, fine, perfect, from Alexander Stewart. You know about him if you've been on my channel before. We had him numerous times here, and he has his DNA in the songs, creation, voice, and everything, so we love that. The Way a Heart Breaks. That's the title of his new song. And we have a very good scenario here. Only 4 chords. They're all in the same way. We'll love that. And no need for any capo. Everything's clean here. Let's go into it. And let's look at the chords. We're going to start with G first. And that will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Second chord is D. And that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 2nd E. We have B minor next. It's a bar chord. You push 5 strings here on the 2nd fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you need to add 4th D, 4th G, and 3rd B. Okay, that's a B minor. And finally, we have A. And that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Alright, that's the order of it. Now, let's go into the strumming. And we have 2 chords that pair up together and make one full string round out of it. So we're going to look into the transition here from G to D. So G, part 1 goes like this. So it's down, then down, up, down. And that's it. So down, down, up, down. Then you switch chord to D and play part 2. And that part 2 starts in the same way. You play down, down, up, down. And then you continue with down, down, up. So part 2 is down, down, up, down, 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 up. And that's part 2 and D. So G, down, down, up, down, then D, down, down, up, down, 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 up. And then you just translate that into the next 2 chords. B minors play with part 1 in the same way as G, down, down, up, down. And then A in the same way as D, down, down, up, down, 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 up. So, slowly like this. You just roll that in standard tempo, something like this. Again. Simple life, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Alexander Stewart's The Way Heart Breaks. Yeah, hope to see you soon. Play tuned.